Daredevil pilots of the future line up for their own air pageant with their own machine. It's the first show to be organised by the Irish Junior Aviation Club, and the flying's ground is at Phoenix Park. And you know, even a model plane has to be in tip-top tune. The first one's away on a magnificent flight. Number 2 takes off, and hundreds of youthful hearts stop beating while it's in the air. A real dandy, a pickerback plane. Model flying is the thrill of thrills.
Things get a bit thick at the start. These frail craft do all that a big plane does. They nosedive and soar, bank and turn. It's plain to see these youngsters have the right grip on things. And here's the most realistic thrill of all. Wonderful model seaplanes that actually taxi off the water. Their only means of locomotion is stranded elastic attached to the propeller from the fuselage. Note the floats with training steps and everything. Now the takeoff. Once they gain the higher air currents, so perfectly balanced are they that they fly for sometimes as long as 40 minutes. They fly all right, even the propellers buzz, over the hills and far away. And another epic flight has been recorded. Oh, he's gone, poor fellow, left a starving wife and a pair of goggles. But what's a fatality to these hardened sons of the clouds? Their life is full of ups and downs. Keep your eye on this little bus. Up, up, higher yet. Even Smithy could hardly do better. Out of the clouds, down with the grace of a bird. A perfect landing. He's won his wings. They appear out of the nowhere in swarms and soon start on what sometimes proves to be a long flight out over the Pacific. Away she goes, higher and higher. Flying blind, that's all he's doing. The last time this kid was sighted, he was passing through Bathurst, still running.
The Model Airplane Club of France holds its national championships, and apparently these machines will do everything bar take their owners up for a flight. Flying is getting into young Britain's blood. If they can't take to the sky, they let off their enthusiasm with models. But make no mistake about it, these aren't those snobbish, power-driven ones, my dear. A piece of elastic is all that takes them up and keeps them there, somewhere. The amazing thing is that out of 300 entries, at least 5 flew so high they got into the thermal current high above the earth, and as far as their owners know, never came down again. So put that in your pipe and sit on it.